Third grade, Module 1, Lesson 3. The standard is 3-point Operations in Algebraic Thinking 1, where we're going to interpret products of a whole number. For example, interpret 5 times 7 as the total number of objects in 5 groups of 7 objects each. For example, describe a context in which a total number of objects can be expressed as 5 times 7. Let's take a look. Our objective is to interpret the meaning of factors, the size of the group, or the number of the groups. Our first example is with using donuts. First of all, how many number of groups do we have? Well, we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 groups. And what's the size of each group? So if we look at it, you can actually see the size in each one of them is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And each of them have exactly the same. This has 6, this has 6, and this has 6. So the size of each group is 6. Now from here, we can make a multiplication problem. We're going to take this number of groups 3, times this number, 6 in each group, and we get a total of 18. And you can add that. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. Let's try another one. Here we have different colored beach balls. So let's take a look. How many number of groups do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 groups. And what is the size of each group? Well, if you look at it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in each group. And we can make another multiplication problem. So we have 4, the number of groups is 4, so we took this number and put it in there. And the size of each group, we're going to put it in there, that's 4. And 4 times 4, if you add this all up, is 16. Alright, let's try this one, but pause the video and work it out and show your work, and then come back when you're ready. Go. Alright, how did you do? Well, let's take a look at these groups of apples. The number of groups are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 groups. The size of each group, there is 1, 2, 3 apples in each group. So once again, we're going to take this number and put it here. So we have 4 groups of, put this number in here, 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. Is that what you got? Good. Now try some on your own. Good luck.